Hey, editor, could your edits be worth 3 times more without changing your software, gear, or hours worked? For Ashley, the answer was yes. Ashley went from $100 an edit to $400 per edit in just weeks. She had been editing for years, but a few months before joining my program, she went through a brutal stretch. 3 months straight without landing a single job, and it nearly convinced her she'd never make it as a professional editor. She even came close to editing for Stephen Bartlett's Diary of a CEO. They liked her style, they liked her skills, they seriously considered her for the role, but in the end, she still didn't get the job. Why? Because technical chops alone don't win. You can know all the shortcuts, all the VFX tricks, and all the flashy techniques, but if you can't make people feel something, you'll always lose to the editor who can. That's the difference between an edit that people watch passively and quickly forget, and an edit that makes them subscribe, share, and come back for more. Ashley didn't understand that distinction at the time, so she stayed stuck charging $100 per video. But inside my program, Elite Editor Academy, she finally learned how to trigger emotions deliberately and with confidence. And after just one of the frameworks, she tripled her rates almost immediately, jumping from $100 per edit to $400 per edit, while gaining far more control over her work. Here's a quick example you can use right now. When you edit, don't just ask, "Does this cut look clean?" Instead, ask, "What emotion am I trying to create here?" Tension equals hold the shot a beat longer. Excitement equals cut faster than feels comfortable. Relief equals let the silence breathe. That subtle mindset shift is what changed everything for Ashley. And here's the crazy part. She's gotten so good that she now edits all the breakdowns you see on my channel. The same ones thousands of editors watch to learn how to improve their craft. So ask yourself, am I still editing for clean cuts, or am I editing for emotion? Ashley could have kept spinning her wheels at $100 per edit for another year or two, hoping something would magically change. Instead, she invested in herself, made the leap, and unlocked the next level in just a few weeks. If you'd like to get results like Ashley, you can join Elite Editor Academy today. Y'all have a good one.